Good morning, my dear children. Hope you all are keeping well. I'm your Roseline, ma'am. And dear children, as we all have learned the long vowel O sound, so let's do a quick revision today and learn some new words, some rhyming words, and make some simple sentences. So do you all remember that we learned the long four O sounds? That is O split E, O with letter A, O with letter E, and O with letter W. So let's learn together. Children, let's do the first long O sound, that is O split E. So let's see some pictures and guess their names. So children, let's start guessing the names and let's learn the long O sound with O split E. So can you tell me the first picture? Rope, rope, cone, cone, phone, phone, vote, vote, bone, bone. So children, did you notice in all these pictures and all the words, we have O split E. So there is a consonant in between when we split and write the words. Children, let's do some rhyming words with O split E. Ob, ode, oak, old, oi, coon, bone, loan, sown, phone, score, store, shore, abhor, adore. Children, now next, let's do some simple sentences with O split E. So what do you see, children? What is this picture? Correct. It's a robe. So let's make a sentence with robe. This robe is from Italy. This robe is from Italy. Children, let's see this picture. What is this dog holding in his hand? Bone. Bone. Correct. Let's make a sentence with bone. Keep the meat bone for our dog. Keep the meat bone for our dog. Children, let's do the next long O sound. O with letter A. So let's see some pictures and see what are the names of those pictures with long O sound. O with letter A. Children, do you know the names of some of the pictures? I know you know them. So let's see the names. Loaf, loaf. So loaf is a slice of bread. Toad, toad. Coal, coal. Boat, boat. Cloak, cloak. Now let's do the rhyming words. Oak, oat, or, oaf, ode. Coal, goal, foal, soul, toll. Coast, roast, toast, boast, host. Children, let's make some simple sentences. What can you see on the plate? Toast, toast. Do you have some toast? Do you have some toast? What is this image? Soap, soap. We need to buy dishwashing soap. We need to buy dishwashing soap. Children, let's do the next long O sound, that is O with letter E. So we have done in the beginning O split E, but here we will have words with O and letter E. So let's see some pictures and guess their names. Aloe, aloe. Dough, dough. Oboe, oboe. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Hoe, hoe. Children, let's do some rhyming words. O with letter E. To, fo, jo, go, ro. Aloe, clo, flow, slow, plow. Goes, toes, sows, hose, nose. Let's make some sentences. Can you guess this picture, children? We just learnt it. Hoe, hoe. A hoe is a tool used to shape soil. A hoe is a tool used to shape soil. Doe, doe. The female of deer is called doe. The female of deer is called doe. Children, let's do the long vowel O sound with letter W. So O with letter W will also make the long sound O. So let's see the pictures and see the names and the long vowel O sound with W. Elbow, elbow. Bow, bow. Arrow, arrow. Burrow, burrow. Pillow, pillow. Let's do some rhyming words. O with letter W. So, mo, wo, lo, bo. Glow, flow, slow, blow, flow. Ground, brown, crown, frown, drown. Children, can you guess this picture for me? Pillow, pillow. I have a comfortable pillow at home. I have a comfortable pillow at home. Children, can you guess this picture for me? Bow, bow. Good. This is a red color bow. The red color bow in white frocks looked pretty. The red color bow in white frocks looked pretty. Dear children, I request you all that you should watch the video slowly and learn some new names and the long O sounds rhyming words and try to make some simple sentences. Record your video and audio and post it.